So the Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi compare to Schlage Encode. Now both are very good smart lock, but which one of them is my favorite? Now guys, if you don't know, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. My channel is focusing on all smart lock related stuff, security cameras, car keys, and everything in between. Really, everything you think about security related, this is me and this is my channel. I welcome you to subscribe to my channel and also make sure to click the bell and turn notification on so you know when I release new video, when I release them. Okay guys, with this out of the way, let's move on talking about my favorite smart locks so far. Now, Schlage in general, it's a very well named brand in the US and Canada, of course. Now, it's got so many different type of security hardware, smart locks, door locks, and really everything in between. Schlage is a very good and highly recommended by any locksmith that I know, including myself. But when it's come to the actual smart lock side of things, Schlage so far didn't really focusing on the improvement of their actual line of smart locks. Now Schlage Encode is one of the newest. It's already been in the market for about 2 to 3 years. It's a good smart lock overall. The features on the nutshell, it gives you an actual application so you can lock and unlock remotely from your smartphone. You can get notifications. You can also enable user with schedule times and day, and you can give temporary access, etc. It's also have an actual keypad, so you can actually enter using the keypad if you want to, and it's got a backup key. Overall, that's all it's really offering. Now, it's a good smart lock for, you know, the average family. It's got 100 user codes that you can basically program, which is great also for light commercial use because it gives you 100 user code. But overall, it doesn't have the other features that I'm going to talk about that actual Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi does have. Now, the Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi, I have it right here next to me. Just purchased it for another customer that just wanted, because I have so many customers that love this product and just asking me again and again and again, Kobe, I want to install that in my garage door, in my house, in my front door, and it just seems to be really good. It works. Wait, Kobe, what are you talking about? Who is Eufy? What is this company? You probably don't even know who they are, right? Now, I don't blame you, and this is why I'm making this video. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Eufy so you know who they are. So Eufy motto is Smart Home Simplified. It's what drives us to build easy to use smart home devices and applications that are designed to enhance your life. From laser guided robotic vacuum cleaner to wireless security cameras, every Eufy product is developed using cutting edge technologies and it's designed for your convenience. Eufy is developing a new generation of connected devices and applications that work seamlessly together to simplify the complete smart home experience. Eufy is a part of Anchor Innovations, one of the leading and most trusted consumer electronics brand in America. So it's a very, very good brand in general here in the United States. And they have not just smart lock, they have vacuum cleaner, they have security cameras, they have so many products that you want to check, and I welcome you to do so, like I said, in the link in the description below. And they also offer a coupon discount code, so welcome you to check it out. And that's who Eufy is. Okay, let's move on. So the features. It's got a fingerprint access, which is great. The Schlage Encode doesn't have that option. It doesn't have any biometric access whatsoever. Now, this lock does have it. Now, you can store up to 60 different fingerprint access, which is great. 100 user code, another great thing. So it's good also for light commercial use. Great thing. Also, it's got a code access, so you can enter using a code. It's got a key override, so you can use a key as a backup to get in and out. Also, it have an actual power bank charging port in case the battery died on you and you don't have the key with you. So you can also give an actual power and enter, and right after you can charge the battery and you're good to go. Another feature that these smart lock have, it's the actual application. So you can lock and unlock it remotely using the app. You can gain access to some people. If you want to, you can get notification when someone enter and exit the door. One of my favorite thing with this smart lock is the encryption and the security. It's got grade 2 security rating by BHMA, which is an actual institute that doing some security testing to lock in hardware. So it's rated as grade 2, which is really good. It's 250,000 times open and lock, some things like that, some different type of testing. So it's really strong lock overall for residential and light commercial use. On top of that, it's got 256 advanced encryption standard for the application of it. So it's really secure when it comes to the app side of things. So this is great as well. And one of the best thing also, it's IP65 rating, weather resistant. So it will handle heavy snow, rain, hot, cold, all that stuff, which the Schlage Encode doesn't. So you see guys, this is what I mean. Schlage have really good product in general, but they didn't improve their smart lock line. And other player in the industry come up with better smart lock that answer to the questions of a lot of people, consumers that want to buy the product. I mean, weather resistant smart lock, isn't it like must? I mean, I'm just thinking to myself, it's so important to have it in case there is rain outside, or if it's really cold weather, depending on where you live, or really hot. I live in Nevada, so you can just imagine how hot it can be, So I'm just thinking to myself, these things that the actual Eufy offering is just must, for my opinion. And this is why I choose, and this is my recommendation for this year and for next year. And maybe they will come up with a new smart lock. By the way, yes, I do believe that they will come up with a new smart lock Eufy. It's gonna be Eufy Video Smart Lock. So it's gonna have a built-in video doorbell to it. Now, I don't know any information about that yet. It's an upcoming smart lock. They didn't announce about this smart lock yet, but I do have a picture of how it's gonna look. I'm gonna share with you guys. Hopefully it's going to have some good features such as motion detection and good night vision and good quality and all the actual stuff that the Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi offer. And on top of it, the actual video doorbell security camera. Now, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think. I really want to know what you guys think about that, my comparison between the two. In general, the Schlage Encode is a very good smart lock, don't get me wrong. But the difference is that, the Eufy just offer more feature, and the fingerprint and the IP65 rating, weather resistant, and all that stuff that, for my opinion, this is the future. It's going in this direction. And this is why I like Eufy Smart Lock and their line of product. Guys, I do welcome you to check the link down below in the description if you want to learn more about Eufy product in general. And also, guys, just so you know, disclaimer, if you do choose to use the link in the description of my video and purchase this smart lock, I welcome you to do so. We will get compensated, but there is no additional cost to you. They also offer some nice coupons, so check it out, guys. You will get something around $50 discount if you purchase through my link. So welcome you to check that right now. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and my comparison between those two awesome smart locks. If you have any questions whatsoever, just drop in the comment section below. And thank you so much, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and all that stuff in between. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.